What's up everybody, how you doing out there? In this video we're going to be making eggplant Parmesan, and we got some onion here. So we have onion chopped up, we've got some garlic that we're going to end up chopping up as well. So we have our garlic, we have our onion. So we're going to put some olive oil inside here. I'm going to put my onions first, garlic, a little bit of red pepper flake. And we want to cook this on like a medium-low heat because we don't want this to brown really. We want this to saute. We want this to become translucent. We want the flavors to infuse. We want the vegetables to get tender. What I'm going to do now, if this has been cooking just a little bit, is I'm going to put tomato paste in here. Maybe like a half of a can. You don't need a whole lot. So here is some oregano. Here is basil. Now you can use tomato sauce if you want. You can use crushed tomatoes if you want. You can use diced tomatoes, or you can use whole tomatoes. These right here are just San Marzano tomatoes. What I'll generally do is I'll pour out the sauce like this first, and then come in and squeeze the tomatoes inside the can, because if not, you're going to end up wearing the tomatoes just like I ended up squirting myself on the first one. We're going to give this a couple of minutes to warm up, infuse, and all that other good stuff, and then we're going to taste it. And when we taste it, what we're going to be looking for is salt, and we're going to be looking for acidity, because sometimes tomatoes can be quite acidic. And if they are, well, we're going to end up having to put a little bit of sugar inside here to kind of ease that up. Now, early on in the cooking of this, you're not going to get a lot of the herb flavors because they're dry, right? So what we have to do is we have to kind of let them set in here and almost be kind of like tea. Let the heat and the liquid here kind of draw those flavors out. And then after maybe another 10 minutes, we can take another taste and see where we're setting. And you don't want to test for salt until it gets down to the consistency that you want it at. As soon as it ends up going down to the consistency that I want it, it would be too salty. That's not bad, but I can already tell some of the things I'm going to need in here. So I'm going to put some parsley. During the time that this is cooking, we can go ahead and prep our eggplant.